There are a lot of considerations to determine when you're deciding how you're going to replace your missing teeth. There are options anywhere from doing nothing to doing a removable prosthesis to doing a conventional dental bridge or a dental implant. Typically, the reasons that we like to go for an implant, it is a better form and function than a bridge. Bridges are still great answers, but implants are better in most situations. In order to make a dental bridge, you have to prepare the tooth on either side of the missing tooth, which involves cutting them down. So while placing an implant, you're able to leave those teeth untouched. Just because you don't have enough bone is not a reason to not get an implant. In today's world, there are a lot of different ways to augment the bone in order to provide enough bone to place the implant. Anything from dental sinus lifts to ridge augmentation to ridge split procedures. So there are a lot of different options. Not having enough bone is no longer a reason to not get an implant.